Okay, so here is our main switch just above the main door. If something would trip, this is where you can find, if you would have problems with electricity, you can just open it up and have a look. If any of the switches is down, now it's all of them are up. So if they would be down, that means that something tripped. So you can simply put them back up and it should work. This is the safety alarm. I believe the code is 1122 in case it would went off, so please make sure, if it would happen you can contact us, but I think the code is 1122. Oh, sorry, I have some problem with the sharpening for some reason. There we go. Now, this is the living room with the TV, so it should be a Netflix, sign up, and the table. This is the sofa bed. If you are planning to use the sofa bed, all the bedding is inside, so you have to lift it up, and basically you remove all the cushions and then you pull this thing, and this should basically, you should be able to see it there. Yeah, it's a very simple process. And yeah, let's move to the other room. This is the control for the central heating. So this is where you set the temperature. Basically the dot is showing you the desired temperature. So for example, now it's on like 18 degrees or something. So usually if you put it to 20 to 22, it should be enough. And also make sure that all radiators are on maximum. If it will be, if it will be just on 2 or 1, you can be increasing this like crazy, and the heating is not going to go on. Yeah, so please make sure that this is all on. Here you can find all necessary things like a washing machine, iron. This is the tumble dryer, and the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi password is right here on the bottom, so you can even read it now. But if you would need to connect more devices, just come here and have a look at it. Yeah, and don't remove the router, don't unplug it, because it could cause some problems with the Wi-Fi later on. So yeah, these are the things, the lights. Now here is the kitchen, which the switch is, the switch is here. Ta-da! So the kitchen, all the necessary equipment. I'm sure you'll find everything necessary for cooking in here. Here, all the pots and teas, coffee, French press coffee, fridge, and the boiler is right here. Yeah, the boiler looks all good. Sometimes it happens that the pressure of the boiler drops. So the pressure should be between 1 bar and up to 2 bars. The 2.8 is actually a bit higher, but it's fine. So we don't need to increase, but it's a very simple process how to increase it in case you would need to do it. So we'll just remove this board here. Yeah. And right here, I'll show you, is the blue waves on here. So in here is different. So I believe if we turn on this one, hold on. Okay, so here, as you can see, between the yellow one and this one are 2 small black valves. So you have to turn both of them into the parallel position, and then you will hear that the water is running inside the boiler, and this number will start increasing. So once it reaches to the point between 1 bar and 2 bars, let's say 1.5 or 2 bars, you need to close both of them into this level as it is now, and then the boiler will be definitely working again. If you struggle for some reason to make it work, here are very simple instructions which you can easily follow, and this will help you to to fix the issue. Yeah, once you are done with it, you can simply put this board back, and also be careful because here is the switch from the boiler, so if this would be off for some reason, then the whole boiler won't be reacting. So make sure the red thing is here visible. That means that it's on. And you don't need to necessarily work with the boiler at all because it's all set up. So all you need to do is to just control the main thermostat, which is over here. Yeah. So that's all you need to know. And here we also have a dishwasher, so you can use that. Just please make sure that you don't put there, you know, big leftovers of food. Just rinse the food in here, throw the little pieces into the garbage, and then use this just for, you know, washing the plates of some little pieces. Yeah. And this is the electric oven. It's a very simple way to use it. Also, if you want to use any appliances, you have to make sure that all the sockets are on, because sometimes people are like, this is the cooker, for example, and the cooker is on off, so if you try to put anything on, it's not going to work. So this must be on, and once this is on, the thing should work. Yeah. So let's try to put anything on. You see the light is on, it's making sounds. Make sure you don't have anything, you know, flammable inside, and then you just increase the temperature here, and this is also the strength, I believe. Timer, I'm not sure if this yeah, and basically the oven will start working now. It's heating up now. Okay, so this is the temperature for the oven, the fan, and this is the grill roasting from top. So you can put that off, and same here. Just make sure when you are done with cooking, also you put it on maximum, and soon enough we should be seeing some results. Actually, it's not an induction cooker. So, are we working? Yeah, so as you can see, so just make sure that this switch is down and before using the oven, the cooker, and then simply, because this is on, this is off, and then simply just increase the temperature over here and make sure also that it's off, and then you will see that everything, appliances, and are on. All the pots you will find here, and many other things. Okay. So I'll switch it off and then just make sure it's on here. And then we'll go to the bathroom, which is here. Simple bathroom. And you can also find the iron board here. You can put this on the floor, and the towel rail, basket, and yeah. Okay, and the bedroom. Okay, the bedroom. This is the cupboard for our cleaner, so please just ignore this one. You can use the other half for any of the for your needs. And this is it. You can also use the table as a workspace or for any other things, a window, and pretty much that's everything you need to know. So I hope you'll enjoy your stay, and if anything else, you can always get in touch with us and I'll be happy to help. Bye.